guys, it's one and only Edlin Motamai back here on Mount Walker 888. Now, for those who do not know me, I'm actually a business advisor whereby I've got 25 years in business experience. Also, another thing is that, guys, if, like, say, for instance, you need any motivation regarding to positivity, you can check me out on Rumble, which is Mount Walker 888, just like this channel. And therefore, if you want any relationship, like information and advice, I'm giving you all my wisdom on an AI kind of form whereby I'm in AI on Elite Entertainment channel, and all the information will be pasted here. Also, guys, you can only subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are a small business or a corporate business or a startup, or you want to start a business, because I only speak about business here, okay? And therefore, I am actually running an AI company worldwide. So therefore, you will be seeing my adverts in AI on this channel, okay? Now, guys, say for instance, now I've dealt with the issue whereby I've given you the wholesalers, I've given you the business plan, I've given you everything. I've even started you getting money from apps before to try and get you here. Now, the main thing that's next, right, is you got your product, you got everything, but where to sell it for free, because you don't have no money, okay? So therefore, what you're going to do is that you are going to start pushing on, say for instance, on Medium. Let's take Medium as a blog app whereby it's free of charge, whereby you write articles about how you feel like. You can also check my own Medium here down below, and therefore you start advertising your business via your link, okay? The link at the bottom of all the advice you give on your blog page. The second thing you can do is to also add your business on Google Business, okay? Whereby whenever people are typing in Google, at least they see you, okay? And then that's when you build rapport and trust with your customer. Another thing is refer system. So say for instance, you got a following of maybe 2,000 or 3,000. You can tell them about your products and services on your social media, and therefore they will start referring their friends to say whoever needs your services, okay? Also, another thing is, guys, if you have a small following on, like say for instance, Facebook, Threads, or anywhere, what you can do is that you can start joining communities or going onto Marketplace on Facebook and pasting your product there. Please note, with Marketplace, it does not allow you to post a service, okay, because of some obligations they have. So they will block you. They'll block you from Marketplace. Only products, okay? So make sure you post products, all right? Also, another thing that you can do is word of mouth. So say for instance, you come from a community whereby you're popular, or you go to, you know, Guarinis, and you're just well known. You can start talking about your product that you're selling, saying, hey, you know, Chomi, I'm selling this, I'm selling this. Don't you want to see what I have? And what I advise you to do is to make business plans, the business plan, and then make the business card. Sorry about that, guys, I made a mistake. Make the business card so that every time you go to an event or wedding or anywhere and you start talking about your product, to say, no, Chomi, look, that product, try my product, you understand? And then you can give them the business card so that you can talk some other time about it. Don't go saying a whole sales pitch at a very nice event whereby a person is trying to de-stress. Just tell them that you do have the same product, or you having a product that you're selling and you would like to talk after hours, okay? So that is the information I would like to give today. Please make sure you do subscribe, guys. But if you wanted further in detail, because it's not much to say, okay, but those are the bullet point information. But if you wanted further in detail, please go down to my blog, which is there. The link is down below, and I hearted it, okay? So therefore you can go read the article. I even put a chart for you to how to actually sell it, and this and that for free. And also, another thing is email marketing. I also did some information on my blog about email marketing, how you can do a cold referral email marketing and a warm referral email marketing. So I've done everything there on my blog. So go and follow my blog, check it out, and go and read it. And bye, guys, I have to go. Make sure that you do subscribe and tell your friends about it. And also comment if you have any information that you would like to also share with us on this channel. Bye, guys.
Check out our new app soon, this November. Check Mount Walker Group on Twitter, YouTube, Rumble, and online.